The freedom we carry, India's Independence Day. Hello everyone. Today we celebrate the freedom of our great nation, India. On 15th August 1947, India finally became free. It came after years of courage, sacrifice, and struggle. Brave men and women fought not for themselves, but for us. They dreamed of an India filled with dignity, freedom, and hope. Today, we are the generation living in that dream. But freedom is not something we celebrate only once a year. We must value it every single day. We must respect our country and care for our people. We must protect the environment we call home and work together to make India stronger and better. Our nation is not perfect, but it is ours. Our diversity is our strength. Our history is our pride. And our future is in our hands. No matter what happens, no matter where life takes us, we must always remember to be proud Indians. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Jai Hind.
Birla Brainiacs, where learning goes beyond classrooms.